It's a great day for keto. My name is Liftar, and I'm bringing you today's keto tip. Welcome. Today's keto bite, keto and gut health. The natural health world has known about this for decades, but lately the mainstream of medicine has gotten really interested in how the bacteria in the gut is super important to your overall health. We actually have about 3 to 5 pounds of friendly bacteria in the gut. This includes the stomach and the intestines. We have up to 100 trillion bacteria. Our body has an interlocked relationship with bacteria. We all get a bad impression of bacteria because we only hear about it when it's bad. We hear about bacterial infections. And now we even have these super bacteria because we've overused antibiotics, and we have these antibiotic-resistant bacteria. Now, please understand, I'm not saying don't use antibiotics if you need them. That's not what we're talking about here. Just talking about general long-term health issues. But bacteria are actually really awesome, and good bacteria are super good and super good for us. The entire group of friendly bacteria as a whole is called the microbiome. It is linked to every system in the body. Studies have proven that it even affects mental health. When the gut is healthy, all the things the doctor looks for in your blood work will improve, like hormone balance, insulin sensitivity, and a really big one for us, metabolic flexibility. You know those people that are really set in their ways? They don't want to hear about anything new? Well, your gut can actually get like that. It won't be able to change and adapt when you need it to. If you want your body to switch into ketosis, it might resist. It'll have trouble converting fat into energy and instead will store it as fat. That's not what we're trying to do here. When your gut is healthy, your body is very flexible about switching from one food source to another and one energy source to another, switching from carb-based food to a diet of keto. How do you get a healthy gut? Well, what do you know? A low-carb diet is right at the top of the list of things that will give you a healthy gut. Doing the keto diet will automatically change the body around so it's able to go into ketosis easier. What could be greater than that? You can take an acidophilus or similar pill. It will help and really can't hurt anything. Take note though, cheap probiotics are pretty worthless. Some of them have 0 live bacteria, no matter what they say on the label. So look for good quality and make sure it has no dairy or soy, which is really important also if you're on keto. But the probiotic pills alone are not the answer. The keto diet is what will really let the gut heal itself and build this giant interlocked system of friendly bacteria, which we call the microbiome. That's today's tip. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com, and we'll see you next time.